Hi viewers, I'm very excited about getting into this package for three reasons. One is that it is actually my first gold purchase for 2025. The second is that it's my first 2025 gold coin. And the third, it's the first time I've ordered from Summit Metals. And I did open it. But as you can see, there's the info. It is a package within a package. So I thought I would save this part of the unpackaging for the video. So with my trusty Kershaw, let us get into it. Which way should we do it? That way. We don't want to go cutting through any gold coins, do we? So what do we have in here? Oh, I thought we might have a Summit Metals fridge magnet or something. No. Just the Summit Metals flip. So let us take a closer look at my 2025 coin. These are very floppy, these flips. Take a closer look at let's start with the obverse with the King Charles portrait, who you will all have seen. £25 face value, and it is the 2025 quarter ounce gold Britannia. So a bit of a backstory on buying that coin. Those of you who join Salivate Metals live streams probably saw me in the comments. We were watching, I'm guessing it must have been a Sunday night when the markets opened and gold dropped below $3,000. I think it was it beginning of March? I can't remember now. It probably was. And yeah, I got my friend in the States to pull the trigger. Now, as you can see, I had intended to buy quite a few quarter ounce coins, but obviously didn't get around to it. So should we put it in one of the ones with black rings? I'm guessing they're quarter ounce. No, they're not. I don't know what they're for then. Something else. I'm guessing it must be one of these then. Oh, that looks like it's been used. Maybe it has, or maybe it's just a bit of plastic on it. So I think these are also for the gold sovereigns. So into the capsule it goes. Now obviously there's a few things I'd like to discuss regarding gold price. I was ready to buy some more when I bought this, but Summit Metals didn't have the coins I wanted, and by the time I'd spoken to another friend who was going to grab them for me, gold had gone back up, so I haven't bought them yet. Will we see it go sub 3,000 again? If so, CCT is ready. But yeah, what I thought I would also cover in this video is the cost. This 2020, no, it's a 2015 half ounce Britannia that I didn't buy in 2015, but somebody did, and then I bought it on the secondary market. I can't remember exactly when. It was a few years after that. Obviously gold had gone up a bit since then. That half ounce Britannia cost me the same as this quarter ounce Britannia. Yes, two coins the same price. One's twice the weight of the other. Yeah, that's how much gold has gone up, as we know. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down in the comments. There's obviously people predicting that it's going to go sky high, and others think it's might pull back. It's to me it's just impossible to predict really what it's going to do. I would certainly, I mean, that is a lot of money for a quarter ounce when I think I was, you know, paying sub £1,000 an ounce for gold when I was mostly buying the sovereigns. But yeah, and now I don't know what it is today. I usually follow it in US dollars, but it's probably about £2,500 an ounce now. So will this be my only gold coin this year? It's very dependent on the price. There are a couple coins, like I said, that I wanted to get this year. A couple gold coins, quarter ounce. But I'm very very nervous about paying you know, higher prices than this. But yeah, so I'm hoping for a decent sized dip, and you know, I'll get another half an ounce. I mean that, but if we don't get that dip, I'm just going to buy silver. It is my passion, after all, is the silver, really. But I do like to have some gold, as you know. And anyway, there was a few other items in that package which I received, which I will cover in other videos. Anyway, let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Keep calm and keep stacking that gold, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.